Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge your Nothing Ear, then pair it to your phone via Bluetooth. Once paired, open the ChatGPT app or the web chat. Make sure you grant microphone and media audio permissions so audio routes to the earbuds. Next, choose the phone's Bluetooth audio as the input/output device. This initial connection is essential because ChatGPT needs mic access for voice prompts, and the earbuds must be the active audio device. Once done, enable the ChatGPT app's voice input or tap the mic icon to start dictation. You want to lower background noise, and if the app offers sensitivity settings, reduce gain so your voice is clear. Speak in short phrases and pause briefly to let the model process. Don't talk continuously. Make sure the audio output remains set to Nothing Ear so replies play in your ears. If you need hands-free, use the earbud tap controls to activate voice input without touching the phone. To finish, refine prompts. Ask for concise answers or step-by-step help depending on your task. Monitor latency. If replies cut out, toggle Bluetooth or reconnect Nothing Ear to reset the audio link. If the mic isn't captured, force close the app, check OS microphone permissions, and restart the app. Make sure both the app and earbuds firmware are up to date. If problems persist, reboot your phone. This clears lingering audio processes and usually restores reliable ChatGPT voice interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.